Hi, Teddy. So much ginger.
Face down.
Looks so good. Perfect. Hi. You look so good. I need you to take the trash out from Wally. No. I wanted to eat this up. Morning, welcome back to another day on my channel. My name is Vanessa. If you guys are new here, hi. I just took a shower and I thought I would do a little vlog for you guys and start a new week off. It is Monday and I was just doing my skincare. I went for a walk this morning. I kind of had like a weird morning where I was praying a lot and I just felt kind of sad, and I just wanted to talk about how I think it's normal to feel those things and kind of just let yourself feel those things, but then also just like get up and start again. So I went for a walk because it was sunny out today. I'm actually gonna open this. And I'm feeling so much better, so thank God. And I think, yeah, I think it's like important to feel those things when we're feeling those, because, you know, we're human and we have emotions. Okay, I'm back in my bathroom. I feel like I'm always in the bathroom, but it's much later. Actually, I just went to get my nails done, and I'm putting on a face mask right now by Jan Marini, and it's just like a whitening one. I like to do this like once, I don't even do it like once a week, maybe like once every other week, just to keep my, keep my skin refreshed. And I think it's a really good self-care habit to do. And exfoliate. And it's so crazy because I feel like for so long I used to think that taking care of myself, my skin, and like all that stuff was vain, because I am a Christian. So I used to pray about that and be like, you know, is this like bad to do? Which I don't know if that sounds crazy or not, but I actually feel like some people have told me that it's like not good, and I actually don't agree, and I don't even think it's actually not biblical. We need to love our neighbors as ourselves. And a Proverbs 31 woman absolutely takes care of herself. So, and it's like her beauty doesn't come from her outside. It's not from that. Her beauty comes from the Spirit of God within her and who she is. As long as our confidence comes from that, and it's not just on this, but that doesn't mean that you like neglect your body. And we even see in the Bible Esther, who was a queen. That whole story is really good. I recommend you guys read it if you haven't, and to see how strong of a woman that she was to stand up against something that was really hard to do. But we see that in the story in the book of Esther, we see her get treated with beauty treatments. She basically gave herself up as an offering to almost die for the whole entire county of people and Jews for them. And we see that she went through beauty treatments to get prepared for the king. So just for anyone out there who ever thought maybe that skincare and stuff was vain, do not listen to that and continue to take care of yourself. But anyways, I'm just going to do a little face mask and drink my water. I just had some steak for dinner and I got my nails done. I just did a very simple nude. I like kind of do the same thing all the time. Last time I went dark and I really liked it and I kind of wanted to do something again like that, but I just ended up kind of going with this really pretty like sparkly see-through color, and I want to try on my rings. But I'm gonna edit. I have some editing to do. I'm so excited because I actually just started a new series on a podcast with my friend, and it's so exciting to do like ministry and talk about Jesus with my best friend. And we decided that, well, the Lord spoke to us about it, about doing a podcast together, so we filmed and recorded, and so I'm actually finishing editing that today, and I want to finish it so I can get it up for tomorrow. And it's 7 right now, so I just want to kind of get everything finished so that I can get prepared for the rest of my week. It's Monday and we're supposed to get a snowstorm tomorrow. Tomorrow's Tuesday, and I don't know if we will, but sorry, I'm trying to like remember how I put my rings on. I think I did. Anyways, I'm gonna go do a little editing and maybe watch a little show tonight. I'm gonna try to go to bed really early, and I'm also going to blow out my hair for the week so that it's kind of nice and smooth. But I just put a light little face mask, and this one's whitening and brightening, so it's really good for the skin. I'm currently uploading a YouTube video to my channel. Oops. And this is kind of how I do it. It just sucks because sometimes I write the title and then I lose it, so I forget what I wrote. But I think I copy and pasted it somewhere. So, anyways, I'm doing that. And I was gonna snack on this really yummy chocolate. If you guys are looking for a kind of healthier version of chocolate, I like the cashew butter by this brand, Human. You don't feel like, sometimes when I eat chocolate I feel like I just am like sluggish, and when I eat this one I don't feel that way because it has like no seed oils and stuff like that. So I kind of just pick and choose. Like if I'm going to dinner, I'll like eat chocolate cake or something like that, but if I'm trying to be a little healthier, I like this, and it still tastes really good. Happy Sunday. Where's my coffee? I just went for a walk. A walk. And I have all these eye patches. Look at these flowers. Beautiful. I got them for my mom for her birthday. It's Sunday. I wanted to just randomly film you guys. I wanted to film bringing you guys with me to church. Thought I would film for you guys and take you to church with me, spend a Sunday with me. Sundays are really big days where I like to reset and spend time with family, just rest. It's very important for us to have a day of rest. I think they're for cleaning, going for walks, spending time in nature, all these different things. So I thought I would just take you guys on a little vlog with me this morning. I woke up and had coffee, and I have church at 10. And Teddy thinks you guys are awesome, right? Right, Ted? How are you so cute? Wow. Me showing off? Oh, what are you gonna do? Hey, show him a trick. Show him a trick. Can I have paw? Come on, sit. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready and do my skincare and change so we can go to church.
There's someone in that car.
Where?
The one that's sitting filming it.
Nah.
There's someone sitting right in it.
I was trying to film the church. Is this your car?
No, right here.
Oh, I'm like so.
Guys, that's my car.
I was like, it looks like different.
Oh, I know,
Do yours first. You want this one?
do you guys like this? Cinnamon walnut coffee?
Oh my gosh.
I bought it. I didn't know what to, forget that big wide. They had
Where'd you
a
get that?
blueberry pie. It's $16. I'm like, what? I can't believe how much stuff has gone up. Oh, I know. It's a dinner you're saying for us. It's not worth it. Yeah. Well, what are you gonna do? Once in a while, I guess it's good to do it.
You're gonna help me.
Yeah.
You're gonna help me.
Type H, right?
Yeah, like all of this.
And part D. Lower pole, 10 of them. Lower pole, 10 of them. These ones.
Ah, why are you laughing at me every time you do it? I don't want to break one.
I got it. Throw all the trash in the box.
I'll beat you.
Yeah, throw the screw out then.
Tell me when to start.
Okay.
No, you started first.
No,
Let me put
okay,
my
get
needle
it in.
yours. Okay, hold on. Hold on. What's wrong with mine? Okay, ready?
Is it in?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. I did. You beat me at everything. Went for a walk and got back. And I was eating a little orange. So we had lunch a little while ago. And I was just going to plan for the week. I like to do this on Sundays to keep me organized. And honestly, it was weird, but I was feeling a little bit of like anxiousness today. And I don't know why, but I was rebuking that because I know that God doesn't give us a spirit of anxiety or fear or anything. And I know that sometimes for me, when I'm walking right with God, I get attacked like that randomly. But today I was really just combating that and praying against it. And I also think for me, sometimes it's hard to just rest. And I like to just do that on Sundays, but my mind likes to play tricks on me and be like, you should be doing more. But that's not true. And I did just go for a walk because I feel like I didn't work out the past couple days, and I think that's why maybe I was feeling like I wasn't moving my body. So I went for a walk and it made me feel so much better because nature is just so therapeutic, and I just love the way that it makes me feel. And I just feel like I am at least more alive when I go and get outside and do something. If I can't get in a workout, I will go for a little walk. Even if it's cold, I just put like a big sweatshirt on, and me and Nick went for a walk, so it made me feel good. And now I like to go through my planner. I have this big one that I got a while ago, and then I also take a notebook and I just do a huge Sunday reset, and I just write some things down that I have to get done throughout the week, things and my intentions. Nick and I just went for a walk and we both said our intentions for the week, and I was like laughing so hard. I don't know why, but we said that we were gonna go to bed earlier this week, and I think it's nice to have like an accountability friend or partner or something that keeps you feeling like you're like productive or on the right path, and someone that you can hold accountable. And I know my best friends do that with me, and we can text each other about those things. And then I just went over certain things that I wanted to do and how I wanted to feel this week. Like I want to feel energized and healthy, and so in order to do that, I'm gonna have to go to bed early, and I'm gonna prioritize and plan in my schedule things that I want to do this week, like maybe go out to dinner or cook from home or little things like that. It's kind of what I'll put in this binder, in this little, just kind of list out all of the things that I have to get done in time block. And then I actually have another schedule for my content, which is like a completely different schedule than like my work schedule and life schedule, but I need that to feel organized and sane. So in that type of schedule, I just have all the things I have to do, my podcasts, my editing for YouTube, my brand deals, my collaborations, my emails, my modeling, like all of that different stuff I have on like my work, like it's like basically my like out of office work schedule for social media, because it's like takes time to film content, edit content, when to do it, and you have to really prioritize it. Plus I work 30 hours a week, so it's like I have to have a whole different schedule in order to do that. So I have that. So that's kind of what I do around this time on Sundays. It's 5:30. I was just gonna drink some water and do that, and then I was gonna do a little bit of an infrared sauna, take a nice shower, put my pajamas on, wash my face, and just plan for the week and kind of meal prep a little bit so that I'm prepared for the rest of the week. Makes me feel so much better. And yeah, so that is what I'm about to do.